was running the AC for hours and hours this afternoon, and if it drops below 75, I like to open my windows before I head off to La La Land. And I absolutely love real live white noise. Some nights I will play some kind of nature white noise from YouTube, but tonight I don't need to do that. Sometimes I don't open the windows till I get up in the middle of the night around 2 or 3, sometimes a little earlier, and the temperature has dropped and I can open up the windows on both sides. And I think I sleep better once I do that. It's been a long time since I've cracked open windows with a total feeling of contentment. So that'll about do her for today. Not sure what I'm gonna get into tomorrow, but if I'm still here, God willing, I hope you'll join me. Here, Serene and Simple Life. From the sound of crickets to lull me to sleep, to the sounds of beautiful birds this morning. Look at this treasure. Wow. One lone flower on the walk. And then we spin around here. And a little patch of daisies. Mini daisies. The dogs that I encountered the other day were not the dogs from the corner. They were 3 new dogs. But now I have met the dog on the corner, at least one of them, and everything seems to be just fine. Another day of the digital album project, or I should say projects, hanging out, looking forward to the future, new beginnings. I'll keep you posted. Keep watching. Beautiful. Wow, it's a first, seeing the 2 of them out here. Nice. Hey, buddy. Yeah, up close and personal. We'll see you later. Hello. You come to say hi too? Yeah. You're a beauty. Just like your brother. Yeah. There's the beauty. He's busy. Up the hill as the sun comes up. Never a dull day here. Coming up the hill from my walk. I guess they're clearing a lot. What do you think? There's two of these guys. I'm assuming it's guys, but it could be a woman. Oh my gosh. I've gone up this hill once. There's not really anything up there. Just a good walking path for some good exercise. Alright. I think it's going to be a cool day. Out walking. I didn't show you this the other day because there's normally a car here. I don't want to film if I think someone might be looking out the window. But look at this beautiful design of rocks, the landscaping they've done. All the way up close to the house. And then around the corner here. And that is pretty awesome. Maybe have a flower bed there, huh? I'm impressed. That was a lot of rock hunting. Got a big to fill in the little hill there. And then all the way around this pretty shed. And all the way up the driveway. Very nice. Very nice. There's just rocks everywhere. You just gotta hunt for them. Rocks everywhere. Just gotta hunt for them. So I've been out for about 45 minutes. Heading back. Another continuation of the digital album massive project. And yep, hanging out, seeing what I can get myself into. Doing some picnicking inside Rocky Pine Retreat. Guys, wish you were here. Hamburger with Dijon, bean salad out of a can, simple butter noodles with Parmesan, one of my favorites next to ginger ale and root beer. And just picked up a gift from my sister, and her little note was a just because. Know that I am with you and will keep you wherever you go. How appropriate for now. 4 little coasters, some USA napkins. She also sent me a grater and one of those 4-color pens and some chapstick and Kleenex in a cute little colorful wrapping. Thank you, sister. What do we have here? It's a frog. It's a little baby frog. I don't know. Does it have a name? Do they call that a wood frog, or am I just making that up? Something I've heard once upon a time in my life. And I'm only saying that because of the woods. Okay, buddy. I was going to give you a flick, but I think I'll just leave you there for the time being. I don't know. You don't look like you would do any damage.